Good morning, everybody. Today is an exciting day. I am about to run a 10K. It's the same 10K I ran last year, so it will be very interesting to see, how I do compared to last year. It is 2 days before my birthday, so this is kind of my birthday 10K. I might try to, do this every year and have it be a gauge how I'm doing with my health. So anyways, just got here. The race starts in a little less than an hour, I think. And yeah, I think I'm just going to bring you along on the day. I have been sipping on my Performance Gains. It's a mixture of the recovery formula and the pre-workout formula, which is delicious, and it's delicious hot. So I mixed that up before I left, and I've been sipping on it on the drive. I should probably try to finish a little more of it before we start, and then I'm definitely going to have to pee. But I want to stay hydrated. I had my protein coffee this morning, so definitely going to have to pee. But yeah, so that was my protein this morning, and then I just ate a banana just now. So fueled up. We'll see how it goes.
On the west side of the starting line, just look for the big fuel timing arch and set up on the west side.
In the finish line.
Oh, yeah, no kidding. The worst part is everything in between. So close. Less than a mile. The cutest.
Congratulations.
Just gotta find a stick.
Cascade Physical Therapy had the good stuff at their booth, and actually there were a couple of packets of Element in the swag bags. So I was so excited to try the Element samples, of course. Just kidding. I have been using Element for over 2 years now, and I love it. I used it on my race day, and I use it every day, whether I am having a physically demanding day or it's just a regular day at home. Element is my electrolyte of choice, and it just makes me feel my best and keeps me hydrated. And Element is the sponsor of today's video. If you want to get a free sample pack to try out 8 different flavors of Element, all you have to do is place an order using my link. My link is drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get that 8-stick sample pack added at no charge. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring my race video today. Okay, I definitely earned this. Sweatshirt! Did wear my lilac today. No one could see it, of course, under my jacket. Oh, yes! New sweatshirt feels so good. And then, of course, I have to wear this all day. Okay, I did it. I did it again. I did beat my time from last year. I was so happy with that. That's the only thing I was hoping for. Last year I got 13 minutes, 4 seconds per mile. This year I got exactly 12 minutes per mile. So I don't know how I pulled that off exactly, but I was very happy with that. I did not use my free pancake ticket. But I did use my free coffee ticket and got a latte. Now I am going out to birthday sushi with my friend who ran with me, a friend and neighbor who ran the race with me, and I am going to enjoy that thoroughly, although I don't feel very hungry right now. It'll probably hit me like in 30 minutes or so. Yeah, we're gonna do the sushi. Did you see this? It's so cute.
I know.
Oh my goodness. I was going to vlog more throughout the rest of the day, but got home, took a bath, took a nap, and now I'm just sitting here in front of the fire pit, and I'm just having a chill rest of the day. I thought I might, bring you guys along on what I cooked for dinner. I didn't cook anything for dinner. We had leftovers. Yeah, I'm just taking it easy. I do need to show you the chicks and the duckies. We got duckies for the farm. They are adorable, the sweetest things ever, and so ridiculously funny. And then, of course, we have some new chicks as well. We got to replenish our numbers after we had some predator problems over the winter. So I'll have to show them to you. They're out in the grass right now having some outside time, and they are so incredibly cute.